Your pet deserves the best grooming experience, but going to a salon can be time-consuming and expensive. Introducing NewCrew, the ultimate pet grooming hammock. With the NewCrew Pet Grooming Hammock Kit, you'll be the new professional groomer for your furry baby, and that too in the comfort of your home. Wondering how? Easy peasy. Step 1. Allow your puppy to wear the hammock. Step 2. Hook the S-shaped hooks to the hammock and hang them. Step 3. We are now all set. Trim nails or any other pampering you wish to do. Along with the grooming hammock, you'll also get a pet grooming glove, high-quality professional scissors and thinning shears, black leather case, small microfiber towel, nail clippers and nail file, pet comb, 4 S-shaped hooks and e-book that provides best grooming practices and tips. And last but not the least, 2 hanging straps that can help you hang the hammock on irregular poles. We are loved by many of our previous buyers, and we are sure you'll love us too. Get the NewCrew Pet Grooming Hammock Kit for your pet today.